Now, ladies and gentlemen, bold can be beautiful, but yes, if you have some problem with your receding and retreating hairline, there is a solution, and there are many service providers who are extending hair transplantation. So this award is for the best hair wigs provider in Delhi and NCR, and the winner, Immaculate Hair Clinic Private Limited. Immaculate Hair Clinic Private Limited, the best hair wigs provider in Delhi and NCR. Mr. Gaurav Arora, the director of Immaculate, present with us.